How to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube in 2019. What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and that's exactly what we are going to cover in today's video. It's going to be beginner friendly also, so all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities and much more on a consistent basis. And hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we dive into this here today, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online with affiliate marketing and much more, you definitely need to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. But we save that for the end of this video, of course. Alright, that's it. Are you ready? Let's get started. Alright, so first thing is we need to decide on what offer we are going to promote. I'm going to a site which you see right here, which is clickbank.com. You might have heard of it. It is one of the largest affiliate network around the globe. And they have thousands of products in almost any niche there is out there. Now, most of the people, they actually tell you to go for health, wealth, fitness and dating. And it's all good, but if you are new and want to get started, you want to go for something with less competition. So what we are going to do here today, I'm going to show you something else here. So there is a product called Ted's Woodworking, and this is a product that has been sold definitely a lot. So first off, we need to go to the affiliate page and see what kind of information we can grab here. You can see everything is in detail here. And if I scroll down a little bit, I've already signed up. So here are tons of information that you can use actually, especially on YouTube also. Now what I would do, and I'm going to explain to you at the end here, is I would actually create a free report in exchange for an email address. I would build a list. I highly recommend it. But if you want to, you can get started actually to go to straight to the offer, and you can change it later on. So it's really easy. So first off, we are getting started with having a research. You can see here there is keywords. There is tons of keywords that we can use actually. What comes first into my mind here, and probably the most common, would be Ted's Woodworking Review. But you see there are really a lot of other keywords that we are going for. It might sound like you want to go for a lot of searches, but there is also a lot of competition, which means that it will be hard for you to rank. So I highly recommend to start with something less competitive. So what we're going to do here is if we go to YouTube here, there is a plugin called Keyword Everywhere. You can find it on Chrome. Let me see here. Keyword Everywhere. Keywords Everywhere, I'm sorry. This is how it looks. So all you have to do is download it and install it. It's totally free. And it will show you results like you can see here. If we go to Ted's Woodworking, you see that there is a volume of total in both Google and YouTube. This is something that many people don't tell you. So it's not only the searches on YouTube here. I've seen it many times and people tell you that there is 2,900, but it's not true, okay? Because this is in overall for both Google and YouTube here. But still, it is a good keyword to go for and start to rank. Now, here is a tip what you can do. If I just hit the space here, you see that I get more results and searches. So I could actually go for Ted Woodworking's Plans Review. It says that it is 320 searches per month. And this is definitely another very good keyword to rank for actually. And how we can search for more keywords is by just typing the whole alphabet here. So you can go for A, you see here B, C, download. Here's another keyword, for example, 140 per month. Let's go for free. There is 10 searches, but still it is a very low competitive keyword. So it means that we can rank this very high. And most probably you will rank for a few other keywords there also. So that is a good way actually on how you can get started with it. So I'm going to actually just go for a review here. So let's hit this one. And you can see here, let me see. This I can see clearly straight away that this is tiny URL, and this is definitely an affiliate who is promoting this. So you can see the title here, Ted's Woodworking Review. Don't buy it until you've seen this. Let's open this up and see what kind of a video it is. This is super easy to do this kind of videos. Now the video length is actually 1 minute and 12 seconds here. More or less there is just a music, a royalty-free music in the background here, and he took actually some screenshots or something from the affiliate marketing site and has put up it and created a video on this. This is super easy to do. If you can't do this by yourself, you can go to a site like Fiverr and you can find someone who can do this for you really cheap actually. So if we have a look at it, this is a tool that I use. It's TubeBuddy. I have actually vidIQ also. So you can see that these are the tags and keywords that this video are ranking for. And for Ted's Woodworking, it is on 4th place, review on the 2nd, scam 3rd, buy Ted's Woodworking 3rd. So you can see that, as I said earlier, you're probably going to rank for more than just one keyword here. Now, basically, of course, you need to drive some traffic to get started with it, but if you find low competitive keywords, you will rank high, and when people start to look for it, hit the like button and so on, it will definitely help you to get other keywords ranked there as well. And what you're going to do is you're going to crank out videos like this. It's super easy, as I said. Just change the beginning or the end and go for next video that you can do is Ted's Woodworking Scam, for example. Okay, the 3rd video could be about Ted's Woodworking Plans Review. If I remember right, it was a good keyword also. So that is how you're going to do, and you can upload a lot of this kind of videos. Also very important here, you can see they use tiny URL. I would prefer to use something like bit.ly to shorten your link here, because when we are going to ClickBank and we get this link, you can see here if I generate a hope link, so it is a really long and ugly link, and we don't want to have this inside there. So we insert it in here to shorten the link. You create a free account here actually, so you can get of course your link there. Okay, I'm not logged in now so you can't see it, but it is a shortened link, so definitely worth to do it. And you can also track and see how many people are clicking through your link there. And what is also very important is to create a description. You see here he actually has a pretty good description. You can get this information also from this site here, because there is article, there is email swipe, so you can see. You just have to rewrite it a little bit to be a unique. There you have it, a pre-sale article. All right, so you can take that and use that also in the description, because YouTube likes when they see a lot of content in the description here. So definitely a good way to get started with Ted's Woodworking. Now, of course, you can grab any other product also on ClickBank here. I just took this as an example. There is so many products that you can go for here. But keep in mind, if you go for something like a red tea detox or something, there is very, very high competition, and you will get disappointed and probably never make money. Unless you're experienced and know what you're doing, then you can definitely go for a much more competitive keyword. You can do the exact same process actually by being an affiliate for Amazon. You can actually promote shoes, this fan or whatever. And what you can do here, let's take this for example. You can just create Sky Genius battery operated clip-on mini desk fan and go with that keyword actually. Okay, and what you can do the exact same thing here. You have tons of material here that you can use the content, do a research on Google, insert that also, and then you have your video up there. And you don't need to drive so much traffic to get views on these kind of keywords. All you have to do is make sure in the description that you do something that is more compelling, or should I say more attractive actually to click on. So for a discounted price, for best discounted price on Sky Genius battery operated clip-on mini desk fan, click here, and then you use your link there. So that is more or less how it works. This is a perfect example actually, as you could see, how they can rank really high for Ted's woodworking review. And there is 27,000 views, so I can guarantee you that this person has definitely made some money on this video here. So that is basically more or less how you make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube. Now keep in mind, what I would do is I would actually go a step beyond. Instead of sending the traffic straight to the offer, I would actually create a list, and I will have a free report. And I think actually, if I remember right, that there is something here that you can use for free. I'm not sure, I can't find it right now, but I think you can grab the material here and actually use it as a freebie in exchange for the email address. Really simple, because you get the chance to promote again to that person who opts into your email list. Now, to find out more about this and more about affiliate marketing and overall, all you have to do is actually click the link below here for my #1 recommendation. So make sure you do that to check it out more in depth, as I said, about affiliate marketing and how to make a full-time passive income online with this method and much more there. If you got some value out of this video, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to make money online, affiliate marketing, work from home opportunities and much more. Subscribe to both and hit the notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.